Hey everyone, I'm going to do a quick brow tutorial for you today. Okay, for starters, I'm going to go with my Laura Mercier face primer. It's really moisturizing. I have really dry skin, so I'm just going to go ahead and rub all of that in until it's not like sitting on top of my skin anymore. Next, I'm going to take a spoolie and brush all my brow hairs up. I have really dry skin, so like sometimes it gets kind of, I don't know, stuck and scaly, so I have to like really brush it. Next, I'm going to take my Sigma brow pencil and go from the front on the bottom, and I'm just going to work my way back. I start a little in front of my brow just because I feel like my brows are a little too far apart, and then I do the tail, and then I go up. So I work from front to back, from back to front, and then I do like hairs in the front. It's a little too far forward, but I'll fix that with foundation later. After that, I am going to do the same thing on the other side. I forgot to brush, so I'm just going to go ahead and brush that up. And then I had microblading, so I'm just looking at like some of the remnants of the color. Again, I am working on the bottom and I'm bringing it a little forward, and so I'm doing from front to back and then back to front on the top when I'm working my way forward once I'm on the top row. I'm just going in and doing those little hairs that I was talking about before. Now that I've done that, I am going to take my spoolie and brush some more. Just kind of put it in place. And then I kind of like blend out the front, but again, I'm going to go with foundation there, so that's not really a big deal. I'm just blending a little bit. Nothing too serious. Now I'm taking my concealer and I'm putting it on the back of my hand. It's obviously lighter than me. It's a LA Girl concealer. I don't remember the color. I'm using the Mocha Dewy finish from Fit Me, and I'm taking the foundation, I'm taking a little bit of the concealer and I'm mixing it, and I'm going to put that under my brow to start to sculpt it. I prefer to mix in the front because I don't like it looking so pale there. And then when I get like closer to the arch, then I do just the concealer because it's lighter and it like sculpts it more. As you can see, it's much lighter there, but I prefer it to be lighter there than in the front. That looks kind of weird. I'm just gonna blend it down and just keep on shaping my brow the way I want it to be. Now I'm gonna go in with my foundation color and I'm gonna do the top. And I do it that way because it doesn't give you the halo effect. Like, I can't stand that. So as you can see, it's like my skin color. So I just take that and I just kind of blend it up. I sculpt it and then I blend it up so that way, you know, it looks natural. Like there's no halo there. Now I'm going in and doing the same thing on the other eyebrow, mixing the concealer with my foundation and doing the front part. And then I'll go in with just the concealer on the back part. Now I'm taking a, I do believe it's a LA Girl brow pencil. It's a little darker than my Sigma, and I just put it on the tail part because it's darker. It gives it like an ombre brow look, and I like that. So I'm just gonna kind of go over what I have already. Now that I'm done, I'm just gonna take my foundation and just kind of go over my whole face. Whoops, a little too much there. I'm gonna take it, I'm just gonna put it on, and I'm just gonna take the foundation and put it also on my lids. I want it to look super, like I want it to look like I don't have makeup on, basically. I'm going out to lunch with my aunt. I'm not trying to look super snatched or anything like that. I just want to look presentable. So, but cute at the same time. So I'm just going to put that on. Not a lot, but enough. And once I blend it out, like you won't even see anything. And there I'm going in between my brows, softening it up. And so that way it's not so far in the front. I'm going to take that brush. It's a flat top. And I'm just going to blend it all in. And as you can see, I mean, it pretty much looks like I'm kind of not wearing foundation. Like, it's pretty natural. I go in under my brows and I try to get like as close to the brow as possible without erasing it, just because, you know, I don't want it to be halo-y under there either, especially like it's noon. Like, again, I'm not trying to be super snatched. I'm just trying to look presentable, but still have an eyebrow shape. So I just try to get as close as possible under there. And sometimes like the foundation will kind of sit, so I like just try to tap it and drag it. And that's pretty much the motion that I do just to get as close as possible to the brows is basically the goal. Now that I'm done with my face, I'm just going to line my lips with that same LA Girl brow. It's a little darker than the Sigma, but I'm just going to line it up. And I actually put my birthmark back because the foundation covers it up a little bit. And you know, I like my birthmark, so I just put it there lightly, nothing too harsh. I mean, that's pretty much how it looks when it's there, when it's not covered up. So I'm just going to go in after I do that with some lip moisturizer, and after that I'm going to do a brown that I'm looking for in my makeup kit. Oh, so I found it. I basically took a whole bunch of lipsticks and melt them down and put them in this little case here. I was going to take that brown and I'm just going to put it on my lips and just kind of put it on there and try to blend it out. Now I'm going to take a light pink and I'm going to put it on the inside of my lips because that's the thing I've been doing lately. I think it's super cute. I just kind of like mash my lips together. Next, I'm going to take my clear gloss that I got from the hair store. I'm just going to put it on top. Because who doesn't like, you know, a clear gloss? And get it popping. And that's pretty much it. Cute. Thanks for watching.